You don't need to be a designer to make your ebook look professional. With EbookWriter AI, you can create a beautiful, polished layout that looks like it was made by an expert, all in just a few minutes. Here's how it works. Once you've generated your ebook content, EbookWriter AI automatically organizes your text into clean sections, perfectly spaced paragraphs, and professional chapter layouts. You can pick from multiple design templates, from sleek and modern to classic and elegant, depending on your niche and style. Want to customize it further? You can easily change fonts, colors, and alignment. No design background or software needed. The AI even ensures your formatting looks great on Kindle, tablets, and phones, so your readers get a seamless experience anywhere. Instead of paying for expensive designers or wasting hours in editing tools, EbookWriter AI does it all for you. Fast, easy, and perfectly formatted. Ready to create stunning ebook layouts without hiring a designer? Click the link in the description and start using EbookWriter AI today.